Kartik Aaryan and Varun Dhawan donated huge money. Our country India is shut down for 21 days because of the current situation around the world. The government of India decided to shut down the nation for 21 days and many Indian celebrities come forward in support. Bollywood celebrities like Kartik Aaryan, Varun Dhawan, Vicky Kaushal and many more showed their support in Janata Curfew. When people were out on roads neglecting the Janata Curfew, Kartik Aaryan even made a video to make people aware about the situation. Varun Dhawan also made a video and posted it on his social media account in support of the shutdown of 21 days. Both these actors have come forward to support the nation and the government in this current situation. As the current situation is getting worse day by day, people are left with panic at their house. Many celebrities of India have come forward to help the Indian government in this situation and providing financial support. Kartik Aaryan is one of the first celebrities in India who came forward to support the nation in the time of crisis. The actor posted on his social media that what he is today, what he has become, it is only because of the people of India. So he willingly contributed a huge sum of money in the time of need at PM Cares Fund. The Love Aajkal actor donated a hefty amount of 1 crore to Prime Minister Citizen Assistance and Relief in Emergency Situations Fund. The actor has also asked people to donate to the government as much as they could. The actor said that as a responsible citizen, he has done his part of job and asked people to theirs. He has also made 2 videos to make people aware about the outbreak of the deadly virus. On the other hand, another young Bollywood celebrity, Varun Dhawan, has come forward to support the country in this time of crisis. Varun supported Janata Curfew and asked his fan and every people out there to cooperate with the government. The actor said that only our cooperation with government can help our country to get healed from this bad situation. Varun Dhawan has donated a whopping amount of 30 lakhs to Prime Minister Citizen Assistance and Relief in Emergency Situations Fund. The actor has also donated 25 lakhs to Maharashtra Chief Minister's Relief Fund. The actor has asked people to stay behind the government and help the needy people by donation. Varun Dhawan also made an awareness video on the outbreak to aware people. As responsible citizens, Bollywood celebrities are making their contribution. Bollywood heartthrob Vicky Kaushal has also donated 1 crore for the welfare of the country. All the celebrities are asking people to stay indoors to stop the spread of the virus. With the team of Smoky Evening requests all the people to stay safely at home. It is a humble request from our side to you to donate as much as you can for a greater good from us for us. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.